Howdy y'all, Sniper Trader here. It is Sunday, April 14th, 2024. Wanted to go over my swing trade losses from the past week or so. I was in a fairly large trade on NQ futures and didn't get out when I should have, and I didn't want to hold it over the weekend, so I just took a big loss. Lost about 14 grand, but that is to be expected. When you normally make 10 or 20 grand a month, then a loss is going to come eventually every once in a while. So it is what it is, and we will move forward. Tonight I was just kind of messing around. I was marking up my charts on NQ. After the market opened, I was like, if I was to get in a trade right now, I think I was down here somewhere, was where the market was trading at. What would I target? So all I did was I marked some recent swing highs, and I just put target 1, target 2, and target 3 on them. As you can see, 2 of them hit and almost got to T3, and actually this probably could have been a T3 right there. That line, that little high right there, and it would have hit too. But I was going for the big bucks, man, way up here. Oh well, still probably hit later on. So, how bad were my losses? Let's take a look. Friday, I made $223 in dividends. I lost 15 grand in futures. That swing trade for 14 something, and then I had a trade in my other account that went bad, so that added to it. So that brings my monthly futures totals to negative 13.6. I made a stupid 0 DTE option trade on Nvidia on Friday morning, and it lost. So that brought my option numbers into the negative as well, 115 bucks. So as you can see, so far halfway through April, stock trades and dividends are the winners. Here's my bad futures trades, all 3 of them. My total loss there. Still got half a month to fix it or try to gain it all back. If I don't, oh well, I can do as best I can. Probably not going to beat this month, but we'll see. I am going to make a new game plan from this going forward right now, at least in the short term. I'm going to limit my risk as far as how many contracts I get into. I'm going to severely limit that, and I'm going to scalp only. I am going to be out of every trade at the end of the day, regardless if it's a winner or a loser. With this stuff going on in the Middle East, which is the real reason I mainly got out on Friday of my bad futures trades, just because of all the uncertainty and everything going on in the world, I didn't want to be holding over a weekend to wake up Monday morning with the even bigger loss than what I already had. So that was my thinking on that. Let's look at, I think I have a earnings calendar here somewhere. Monday before open, we have a bunch of banks. banks, and I still can't get my square right. Whole bunch of banks a Monday morning before open. More banks after close. I don't know what Skillsoft is, but First Bank. Bank shares. Yeah, I don't know about those. Got more banks later in the week. Brokers. Yeah, let's just focus on tomorrow for today, since we're probably going to do another video tomorrow. But it's mostly banks kicking off earnings season. Later in the week on Thursday, we start getting into some big name tech. So yeah, that should be good for the market, possibly. So enough of the earnings. Let's see, what do I have? Do I have a Forex factory calendar? I do. Let's go for this week. Tomorrow we have retail sales and manufacturing before open. This could move the market. And we have more Fed speakers, which have been really causing the market to move lately. So yep, tomorrow might be another crazy day in the market, especially with the added Middle East stuff going on. So yeah, that's about all I got for now. We'll talk later. Sniper Traders out. Thank you for watching.